Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today let's make a healthy version of egg Bhurji, also known as Indian style scrambled egg. So let's get started with the recipe. I have already added 2 whole eggs into a small bowl, and into this I'm adding in pink Himalayan salt as needed, freshly ground black pepper as needed, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and I'm giving it a good whisk. Once nicely whisked, keep this aside. I'm heating my cast iron kadai with 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1 medium sized onion finely chopped. Give it a stir and allow the onions to turn transparent. Once the onion is transparent, I'm adding in 1 green chilli finely chopped. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder. This is just for color. If you don't prefer, you can totally omit it, and give it a good stir. Into this I'm adding in 1 medium sized tomato which is deseeded. Next I'm adding in 1 handful of finely chopped palak leaves. Palak leaves are a good source of protein, iron and fiber. Give this a good mix and allow the palak leaves to get cooked and wilted. It should take about a minute. Once the palak leaves are lightly cooked and wilted, add in the beaten egg. Allow the egg mix to stay like this for about 20 to 30 seconds. I like to scramble the egg on low flame. Once the eggs are scrambled and there is no moisture left, personally I prefer dry scrambled eggs, sprinkling in some fresh chopped coriander leaves, and I'm giving it a good stir. The best thing about this recipe is that especially kids will not even guess there is palak in this egg Bhurji. You can enjoy this egg Bhurji as a side dish for roti or as a filling for sandwich. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.